Good day and welcome to Madison's Mountain Retreat, where the Happy Alpancakes Banners 2009 competition has unfortunately been cancelled today due to a lack of eggs and lack of available transport to go to the shop to buy some eggs. The car, as you can see here, not really roadworthy. Cameraman, if you just come over this way. And recently Gemma drove through a tree, so we're missing the front part of the bull bar. So yeah, we're stranded here and we don't have any eggs. So that's the end of Pancake Day. Apologies to all our sponsors, there's not a lot we can do. We're going to have a walk around, have a chat to some of the animals here and ask their opinions on the matter. And yeah, sorry about that. That's an outtake. G'day Mr. Brown Alpaca. What do you think about the cancellation of today's pancake competition then? Do you have any thoughts on the matter?
I think that's a no comment.
Oh shit. This is Boston, the nice alpaca. Boston? Boston? This is Boston, our favourite alpaca. He was immensely disappointed by the lack of pancakes today. We're just asking for a quick word. Boston? Boston? Are you disappointed? Boston? Just a word for the news? 14! You seem very disappointed about the lack of a pancake challenge going on in your field today. How do you feel? Do you feel anything? Or are you stupid? 16. How do you feel about the lack of pancakes? Ooh, crikey, don't mess with you. 26. No, they're disappointed as well. Baby one. You wanted a baby pancake, didn't you? But you can't have one. How do you feel? Oh. Well, as you can see here, all of the animals are immensely disappointed about the lack of a pancake challenge. The highlight of the day was going to be running through the goat field with a pancake jacket on and seeing if we can make it to the other side without getting eaten by these clearly savage, very hungry goats. Get off me. What are you doing? But no, well that's it. No pancakes for goats and no pancakes for us. 32. Do you have a message for our sponsors, Neil and Fairy? They sponsored us good money for this. Do you have anything to say to them? Come on, we practiced this. Oh, 26 has something to say. Now they're all quiet. Ready? Emily, there are accusations levelled at yourself that you are responsible for the lack of eggs and the cancellation of Pancake Challenge. What do you say in the matter? What do you say? Answer the question. Did you or did you not fail to lay eggs for Pancake Day? The jury's still out on that one, I'm afraid.
Started.
Dexter, okay, you were very, very keen on pancakes, weren't you? What do you have to say on the matter, Dexter? What is it you say, Dexter? Did you want a pancake, Dexter? Sheepy one here is the record holder for the most number of pancakes eaten by an alpaca in a single sitting. Sheepy one, how do you feel about not having to defend your title this year, Sheepy one? Sheepy one? Oh. What are you looking at, Chattanooga?